We all love to take selfies and photos with our family and friends. Sometimes we may have to modify such photos and images. We may have to resize, change the background color, or crop some portion and so on. Earlier, MS Paint or Paint.net was used for image editing. Today, there are several software applications available for editing images. Some of them are free, while some others are licensed or proprietary. Adobe Photoshop is one of the widely used image editing software applications. You have to purchase the license to use it. Paint.net is a widely used free image editing software. GIMP is another free image editing software. GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. GIMP is an open source image editor that has a wide set of tools and features. The resources and code of this software are available for the public, and any software professional can make changes in it. Generally, free software is preferred to the paid ones. Proprietary software packages can be purchased with a license with varying validity, such as monthly, yearly, or lifetime validity. For example, Google is a free online search engine. Windows 10, on the other hand, has to be purchased. Some software packages allow you to use only certain basic features. User has to pay to use the advanced features. Some programs or applications are free to use but does not allow users to modify its features. For example, user can use Google but cannot make changes to the way it functions or modify its features. However, GNU project gives you the freedom and control to share, study, and modify it. Linux operating system is a classic example of free software which was developed collaboratively by the software developers across the globe. GIMP software is available under General Public License (GPL), and so it is free to use. You can use it and modify its features as well. How about learning more about GIMP and enhancing it? Let us get the GIMP software on our machine. You can download GIMP from the website www.gimp.org and install it. To install GIMP, execute the installable file. It will show the setup GIMP window on the screen. Click on Customize button. It will show the window to browse the location where you want to install the GIMP software. Select the desired location and click Next. A new window will appear to select the components to be installed. Select Full Installation. It will install the GIMP software at your computer. The beauty of GIMP is that it is compatible with various operating systems like Linux, Unix, Windows, Mac OS X, or FreeBSD. The other amazing part of GIMP is that it supports multiple file formats like JPEG, GIF, BMP, or TIFF. You can use GIMP to open these files, make changes, and save them. GIMP has so many tools and features that enable you to do tasks ranging from simple image editing to complex image manipulations. You can open, edit and save multiple files simultaneously. Let us summarize what you have learnt in this video.